Welcome to Pest Borders, Scorpion Barrier Systems. We're at a home in Queen Creek. It's a new build, and the customers just moved in. This is actually their second installation of a pest border. Their previous home, less than a quarter of a mile away, that they sold recently, has a pest border installation on it. They get a lot of scorpions and other pests in Queen Creek up here in the desert, and they want to eliminate entry of these pests, especially the scorpions, into their home. For years, on their previous home, they had zero entry of basically all pests, whether it be scorpions, spiders, all those little nasty insects. So they needed to have this on their new home here in Queen Creek. And you can see this strip that goes around on the bottom of the home. It's that white strip, about 2 inches wide, around the bottom of the home, the entire perimeter of the home, including the interior of the garage. We can't keep pests from going into the garage, but we keep them from going from the garage into the home. You see, scorpions and many other insects and pests don't have the ability to climb smooth surfaces. The pest border is way too smooth for scorpions and many other pests to climb. Scorpions don't fly, they don't jump, they don't dig. The only way they're getting in your house is by climbing onto it and finding one of those thousands of entry points that are on any given house and get into your home. So the pest border prevents that. It's really just a common sense product. If they can't get on your home, they can't get in your home. You can see on the stem wall, which is that concrete rise around the whole perimeter of the home, before any entry points, especially the weep holes, the pest border is installed. Even on columns and pillars. And all plumbing that goes from the ground and connects to the house, and wires, have to be protected with what we call our no-climb rings, so they can't climb up a pipe, avoid addressing the pest border barrier on the bottom of the house, and get contact with the home and get in. As you can see, we're in the middle of the desert, and boy, they got scorpions and everything else here. So if you want to protect your home completely, 100% from scorpions, 98% of all other pests, call Pest Borders.